And our next certificate of participation is awarded to Anak Boy, Leg and 5. Check. And our next certificate of participation is awarded to Mr. Dexter Matete. Alright, our next certificate of participation is awarded to Trumpo Master. And our next certificate of participation is awarded to Kid Light Artist. And our next certificate of participation is awarded to Ricky Tiger. And last, our certificate of participation is awarded to Original Impostor. Alright, so guys, let's have a group picture po. Lahat po kayo dito po, lahat ng performers on stage. At syempre, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng ating mga pang world class performer. Sila po yung mga napanood ninyo sa TV sa Talentadong Pinoy, sa Pilipinas Got Talent, at sa iba-ibang mga klaseng palabas po sa TV. Sila po yan. Kitang-kita na ang talento ng mga kapwa natin Pilipino ay pang world class. Alright. Thank you very much, guys.